Here is the registration page of this application. You can register user over here. And though I have, this user is already registered, this is just to demonstrate you how the registration is going to work. So here you will put your email ID, then password, and then confirm password. And then you will put your name and then phone number. Then select which mode you want to choose, and then agree with the license and policies. Then click on the register. So this user has been already registered is already. Then while after you have successfully registered your user, you can go in onto the login page over here. This is the login page. You can log in with the registered user, and then you can go to the menu eBay accounts, then add the menu. Here is the add menu button. This eBay has been already added to this user. You can also click add token button over here. This will redirect you to your eBay seller center. You have to log in with your seller center user, and then give the consent to operate via the API. So here is the agree button. Once you agree, your token will arrive to this application, and then you can perform add product. Here is the link to add product page. You can select categories from the uh, already present categories from Amazon. So you can add up the category here, product title, then you can add description of product, and then you can choose product image, and then you can submit. This will add a product to your seller center. Product has been successfully uh, added to the seller center.